Hello, my name is Kaveh Sadegzadeh and I'm an analyst in our Caspian upstream research team. I would like to share with you Wood Mackenzie's recent analysis on China's increasing role in the competition for Central Asian gas. A seminal shift in the regional balance of power occurred in December 2009, when the first string of the Central Asia-China pipeline came on stream and opened up a new market for Central Asian gas. The pipeline has broken the Russian monopoly and introduced diversity to regional export options. Export route diversification has been strategically important to Central Asian gas-producing countries since their independence in the early 1990s. Their reliance on one single export route to Russia put them into a weak position when it came to volume and price negotiations. Although Turkmenistan was able to open up a second export route to Iran, the limited import needs of its southern neighbor never made it a real alternative. The Chinese advance into Central Asia, on the other hand, can certainly be viewed as the start of a new era. The completion of the pipeline came at a time when Europe was experiencing a downturn in demand, forcing Russia to limit its Central Asian imports. The new eastward export route will allow the Central Asian countries to realize their gas production potential. This is especially important for gas-rich Turkmenistan, which will now be able to develop and market gas from its giant South Yolotin field, estimated to have reserves of up to 18 trillion cubic meters. Turkmen exports via the pipeline have already started and are on the rise. Sooner than we previously thought, first Uzbek supplies could start in the imminent future. Finally, the next phase of the project is to build an additional supply route across Kazakhstan to China. In our recent multi-client study, Race for Supply, the future of China's gas markets, we analyzed the driving force behind China's strategy in Central Asia. Chinese gas demand will see a tremendous increase over the next 2 decades, and its domestic production will not be able to keep up. China will therefore depend on imports and is keen to spread supply risk by diversifying import sources. This strategy includes Central Asian gas from the west, Myanmar gas from the southwest, LNG from the coast, and Russian gas from the north. Central Asia will play a vital role in this regard. Our view is that it will supply as much as 60 billion cubic meters by 2025, accounting for 15% of China's total demand. Looking at the bigger picture, we can conclude that Central Asia is experiencing a fundamental eastward shift. We see that an era of Russian dominance over Central Asia, which dates back to the 19th century, is coming to an end. China has been expanding its presence in the region over many years. The completion of the Central Asia-China pipeline is yet another milestone on this journey, and we expect the cooperation to strengthen in the future. China's strong energy demand and Central Asia's vast hydrocarbon resources make the two a perfect match.